Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jamila and this is Jamila Creates. So today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to make this textile out of scrap pieces of fabric and water-soluble paper. And then in the next video I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to piece together all of these textiles because I'm going to make several. So what I'm doing here is I'm just sewing this into a big sack right here with the zigzag stitch. You can see that I did that here and I trimmed the edges. And then I'm going to fill the sack with stuffing, so like scraps and little things. Not this is something else. Alterations for my dad. This is just a button though, so I'm going to fill it with like little scraps. And then we're going to sew over it and hopefully make a textile. So this is what the sack looks like when it's stuffed with scraps. You can see you can't really see it too well, but that's okay because this is dissolving paper and we're going to get rid of the white haze over it. So next I'm just doing a top stitch with black thread. Again, it'll look much better when the white paper is dissolved. And I'm just doing something with like a lot of swerves and rose patterns. I didn't really plan that out so much as it is just a good pattern that includes a lot of stitches, and that's the key when you're doing this. You want to hold it together. Now the way I did this was working with several giant rectangles. In the future though, I would just cut it into a pattern, add a little bit extra seam allowance, and do it that way so that you're stuffing less. But any scraps from this can go into scraps for the next thing, so that's fine. And then the last step before you have a textile is to rinse it all out. You can see that's just what I'm doing here is washing off the paper. This takes a couple of tries to get it all really off, and then you're just going to want to lay it flat to dry. And I'm going to be doing that with several pieces, and then in my next video I'll show y'all what I make with all these pieces. On another note, I'm sorry that it's been so long since I've posted. I've just had a lot going on with festivals and I signed up for a talent show and that's what this is going to be a part of. Normally I do link my products below when I finish them. Obviously this is not ready to be sold yet. But you know, everything's in my Shopify, and when I finish this one, I'm going to use it for the talent show that I'm part of, and I'll put the details on that in the description box below. But after the talent show, it will be for sale, and it will be a little bit more expensive than my other pieces, just because time-wise, the top stitching on this takes a lot of time. So if y'all are doing this, make sure to know that it's kind of a time commitment. Yeah, but with that having been said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I tried to keep it short and sweet, just a little tutorial on how I'm using the dissolving paper that I bought. And I was gonna say I'll link dissolving paper below, but it's easy enough to find on like Amazon or something. But if y'all have any recommendations for a more sustainable source of the paper, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.